Put the seatbelt on. We're going for a cruise to Dairy Queen. So I was just told that Dairy Queen has a Superman ice cream treat. It's actually cake batter with cookie dough, and it's like a blue color, right? Because Superman's colors, right? And it's a blizzard treat. So cake batter, cookie dough. I think this is going to be interesting. Let's see what this is all about, and we'll go from there. There it is. DQ. All right, so we're just going to go through the drive-through here.
Hi, welcome to Dairy Queen. Are you looking for something else today?
Yeah,
What can I get for you?
perfect. I'll get the Superman cake batter cookie dough.
Okay, what size would you like?
Probably get that in a medium.
Anything else?
No, I think that's good.
Thank you so much. I'll see you at the window.
All right. Okay, hold on. Ready? Okay, go for it. Right on. Okay. Superman. Look at that. Summer 2025. Look how yummy that looks. All right, so there you guys have it. We just went to Dairy Queen and we ordered the Dairy Queen Blizzard cake batter cookie dough blizzard treat. Look at that. And you can see it's blue in color, and it's got the little sprinkles, and it's got the cookie dough. So it looks pretty good, guys. It looks pretty tasty. So usually when I go to Dairy Queen, I mean, Dairy Queen's got a lot of great flavors. Usually when I go, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It's Oreos cookies. My apologies. The Reese's Pieces is not bad. I also like the cheesecake one as well too. But this will be a first for me. When you guys go to Dairy Queen and you guys order your Superman cake batter cookie dough blizzard treat, you can thank me for it after. So tell me what you guys think. Do you guys have a favorite flavor? Put it in the comments. All right, guys. Catch you guys on the next one.